While delegates will be there to look at the continental African mining scene, there's no question that the current platinum strike in South Africa will focus the minds of delegates and speakers on the situation in the country. It's expected that the keynote speakers will look to stress the positive side.
It is an opportunity to try to tout one's investment prospects and show how well you may be holding out as a company or as a country to attract that type of interest.
I would suggest perhaps there will be little detailed discussion about what is going on in the South African mining space. A lot of those discussions will take place behind closed doors.
African mining is more than just about South Africa, and many delegates and potential investors will be attending to look at opportunities on the continent.
People will be saying, in the light of potentially improved fundamentals, what projects are likely to see the light of day, what expansions may we see, what opportunities may arise from an M&A perspective.
Analysts suggest that there are many mining prospects in Africa that haven't been properly developed. The copper belt is a great example, and from a value perspective it's still relatively less expensive to invest into compared to other parts of the world.
When it comes to equity, there is an increase in private capital interest into the mining space, including into Africa, and that's essentially the sovereign wealth funds, the hedge funds, private equity funds, and also now family offices, high net worth individuals, and the trading companies.
While these investors take a longer term view, and they will be meeting with banks and advisory firms and other stakeholders, 2013 is fresh in their minds. It was a brutal year. Gold stocks fell 28%. Mine company valuations dropped between 30 and 70%, with the junior miners suffering the most. But there does appear to be a glimmer of hope. The mining INDABA is set to bring together a whole range of industry players in one place at one time. There will be lots of discussions, most of them happening behind closed doors, where all the hard talk and deal making will take place. I'm Angelo Coppola for CCTV in Johannesburg.